If you are a developer and still you don't have a portfolio website, then you are losing client and job opportunity in every single day. Today I am going to tell you why portfolio website is very important for a developer in 2026, and will tell you what must include in your portfolio website. Hello everyone, I am Pradip, software engineer, freelancer and digital solution consultant. On this channel, I am share real and practical knowledge of web development, freelancing and digital business and many more. And if you don't subscribe my channel, and please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest update and the video. Watch the complete video and I will share the bonus tip that most of the developer miss in their portfolio website. First of all, let's understand what is portfolio website. Portfolio website is a website where you present your work, your skill, your project, your story in professional way and online, so everyone can access globally and anytime. Your portfolio website is your digital business card, your online resume, and it is working as a salesman for you 24 into 7. And in 2026, it is not optional, it is mandatory for a serious developer for better opportunity and better reach as a career perspective. There are 7 reasons why you need a portfolio website. They Google your name. If your name does not appear on Google search and only is a LinkedIn profile, then it will move to next candidate. So if you have a good portfolio website, so you can make a good impression to the recruiter or client. In 2026, there are millions of developers in India alone. Everyone on LinkedIn and everyone share their resume. So how do you stand out in this situation? So with a portfolio website, assume that there are 100 resume for a recruiter they go through, but there are 3 people they have an online portfolio website and they are easily shortlisted for this. In your resume you can write I build a project and using Node.js or any type of the technology, but if you have a portfolio website you can list out your project and your case history, your technology use and the live showcase for anyone, so recruiter can easily see and your work and your skill sets by online portfolio. That make an impression for a developer or a client or recruiter, anyone. Your portfolio website is working for you 24 into 7, so anyone can see and contact to you in any time if you have a online existing by a portfolio website, so anyone can easily contact and easily see your progress, your skill, your project and anything. Your portfolio website is your free marketing tool. If you have a good SEO on that website, if anyone search on Google, your website will appear, and so they can easily contact you for work or anything for their next project. Your portfolio website build the trust and credibility for the client and recruiter. If you want to do freelancing and sell your service online, that portfolio website is the best tool for you and you can easily develop. So let's discuss what must be included in your website. There must be a home section, the strong headline with your name and your role. There must be about section, and there must be project section, skill section and testimonial section, and there must be a contact section and also the resume download section, so anyone can download your resume. Now let me tell you 5 mistakes that developer make while making their portfolio website. Too much design, less content, only showing to-do apps, no contact information, no mobile friendly design, and no SEO in their portfolio website. So avoid this type of mistake in your portfolio website and make your impression strong in client and potential recruiter. So bonus tips for you. So add your portfolio website link to your LinkedIn account and mention your portfolio link to your YouTube banner, and mention your portfolio website link to your social media bio, and you can get easily traffic from this type of things. So friend, if you are a developer and you don't have a portfolio website, then comment portfolio in the below, and I will personally help you to design and develop portfolio website. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.